I guess let's start off to that car alarm go off.
All I wanna do is spend my time with you. But we both know it ain't the case, babe. Why you asking me questions that you know the answer to?
So today what we'll be doing is my Monday routine for washing my face. And we're going to go through the same 3 steps I'm always talking about. That's cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. We're going to use all of Luxe and Nature products. And I just want to show you how it goes. Be right back. Alright, so first, I got a fresh towel. It's just a regular wash towel. And I am going to run it under warm to hot water. So technically, I'm turning on the hot water and I'm putting the towel under. When you apply steam to your face, it actually opens up your pores and it helps to receive in moisture. So I just take my towel and I do it like this. You've probably seen me do it in all my other videos. So I'll do it 30 seconds to a minute, it's fine. Well, 15 seconds to 30. Whatever. All right, let's go. So first, the first product that we are using is the rice water soap. This is the sample size. Now, I like to cut the sample sizes up to this size for my face because I use the other like the rest of the bar for my body. So I cut up a few of these and that's what I use them for. So basically, I don't have a pad with me, like a facial pad. My face is already a little wet from the steam. I just take it and I roll it in a circle. So you're gonna do that for your entire face. I'm gonna put this hair out my way, you know? All right, so basically, once I do it like that, a lot of people don't like using their hands too, which I understand. But I like using my hand. You know, you want to make sure that you don't get this in your eyes, you know. Take a little bit, rub it like that. Because, baby, this is real soap and it burns. So with the rice water soap, after I get like my first coat on there, I normally wet it. Do it again. When you have the cloth, the soap stays inside the cloth, so it's really easy to just like suds it up again. But with your hands, no. You'll be surprised how many people say that they do not use soap when they wash their face. Soap is delicate, it does burn, but it is delicate, so I can get like real close to, you know, because the essential oils that's in there are really, really mild. So it's like they're in there for their properties, but they're not in there to like burn your eyes out, you know. Some people will overdo it. All right, so now I'm just gonna rinse this off. Just to make sure when I open my eyes, ain't no got all the soap. We good? We good. All right, so next, my favorite product to use is the aloe vera rose hydrating toner. You can see like the details in here. You have some roses. Mind you, this is a fresh one I made a couple of days ago. But I just finished up my other one last night, so I can totally use this one. And all I'm gonna do is give my face a couple of spreads. Jesus, no good. The cloth that comes with the barcode, if you ever ordered it, is normally the cloth that I use. And I just wipe. What this help does is it helps open my pores and it cleanses them, and it also helps shrink. the size of the pores. Have like a natural witch hazel inside of this. It's really nice, you guys. So sometimes you can like give yourself one more spray just to leave it on there. And then I like to add the Au Naturel Soothing Souffle. Okay, so this is the thing. Some people like to add the aloe vera rose water cream in the morning. That's fine if you don't have like really, really dry skin. My skin is like super dry all the time. And it helps with keeping the eczema from popping up. Take some, rub it in my hands. Just a little bit. And when I tell you I dabbed a little bit, I meant a little bit. Like, I dab a little bit. Wicks and all. And that's pretty much it. That is how I complete my morning routine. Okay, so key note, like a tip, if you feel like it's really, really hot outside and you feel like your face is too greasy or you put too much on there, you can always take your face towel, wet it with warm water, and just give it a one wipe. And that's it. That is really how simple my morning routine is. So if you guys like that, I don't know, go ahead and like the video. Let me know down below if you guys want any more videos. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these eyebrows because they are not the business, okay? Yeah, so talk to you soon. Bye.
Wanna do is spend my time with you, but we both know it ain't the case, babe. Why you asking me questions that you know the answer to?